Hey everyone. I made this video because a few months ago I was looking at getting a new underwater camera for filming in Hawaii, and I was wondering, would a standard GoPro camera be good enough for the video I wanted, or should I get something like a Sony RX100? I actually ended up getting both cameras, so I wanted to share with you the footage from the two because I was thinking that the problem with the GoPro footage would be low light sensitivity or maybe low image quality. But you can see here in this footage, which was recorded on the GoPro, the quality is excellent. You can see the fish easily, the coral, you can actually see the coral detail if you zoom in. So in terms of the actual problem, here I'm filming a single fish with both the Sony RX100, which you can see in my hands, and also the GoPro, which I've got on a head mount. And the problem is that the GoPro doesn't have any optical zoom. So for filming something like an individual fish, which is not going to stay close to you, you get a very small image. Now here's the same shot that I was taking with the Sony RX100 at about 3x zoom. And now you can see the fish super clearly. You can see the fins, you can see the streamer that comes off the top of the fish. So 2 thumbs up for the optical zoom. So now you might think, like I did, what about digital zoom? And the answer is it's not very good. Here's the digital zoom of the GoPro footage to about the same fish size. And it's pretty noisy and you can't see the little fins. You can see the streamer, but overall the image quality is pretty poor. So bottom line, if you were only going to have one camera and you had the budget for it, I would get something like the Sony RX100. Here's the reef footage taken with it, and looks excellent, of course. And the real thing you'll be able to get is video like this, which you definitely won't be able to get with a GoPro or other wide-angle action camera that has a fixed lens. I'll put up some more videos with details on the two cameras. Basically, you're getting a 6x zoom here, effectively, comparing the two, which is why you get such better quality. Yeah, so that is all for today, but subscribe to the channel and I'll have more videos on both these cameras, as well as other underwater filming tips. Until then, take care.